Now this is some value 1.123.456. Okay, that we are storing in this variable. This is 123.456, and how it will be represented, or how we can give output. So if we use like this printf %f, and this is for example f1, that is variable name. This is variable name f1, and this is %f. So as it is, we will get output 123.456 and then 000. Since float data type output we are getting in 6 decimal places after this period sign. So here only three values we are having, that is 456, and remaining three places will be filled by zeros. Now here this is 8.3 f. Okay, so total 8 bits are used here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And after decimal it is precise to 3 places, that is zero point 0.3 f. So here we are getting 123.456. Since we are having only three numbers in integer part, so the first place will left blank here. This is 8.1 f. So after decimal we will have only one place that will be rounded off, that is 5. Okay, and point then 1 2 3 in integer part, and the first three places of this 8 bit will be unused. Here 08.1f. Okay, so here the same output we will get here like this, but all places which are left blank on left hand side will be having value 0. It will show value 0 when we write like this 08.1. This is minus 8.1 f. Okay, it is opposite to this one. Okay, so 8 places will be used, but from left side. So 1 2 3 point, and after decimal there is one place only, so only 5 will get here. And since total 8 places are to be used, so the last three places will have blank here. This is 10.3 e. E means exponential form. So the last two places will be used for part, that is, actually there are 3.3. Okay, that is for 235. So 1.235 e exponent, and here value of power is 2, so plus 02. Okay, this way you will get here. Same way here 10.4 e. So in decimal you will get 4 places, that is 2 3 4 and 6. This is rounded off. Okay, and e exponent part plus 02. This is power of 10. So this way we can format our output. This is for string. Okay, for example the string is Gujarat space India, like this, Gujarat space India. Okay, so actually there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is space 8 9 10 11 12 13 characters. Okay, including space. So here normal output is %s and str. So Gujarat space India. Here percent 8s. Okay, so here output of same. This is 16s, so total 16 places will be used here. Okay, so actually it is having 13 places only, Gujarat space India. So three places will left blank here. This is 16.7s. Okay, so total 16, and this is 7 places. Okay, so this since this is positive 16, so this left places will left blank. Okay, same way here 7s Gujarat, this is minus 16, that is from right side we will leave blank space, and total 9 characters. This is 7 Gujarat, space 1, 8, and I, that is 9. And others will left blank. This is 16.15. So total 16 character, total 16 places and 15 character we are supposed to print. Okay. And others will left blank. So this is total 13 and 3 are left blank here.